We are headed to go buy our very first tractor. No,
trailer.
we're headed to go buy our very... I have whipped up some peanut butter cookies to put into the sun oven for the very first time. Woo!
I can hear it knocking.
You didn't...
Cut that.
Let's go see what we can find. Ooh. There we go, another trip. I'm too busy looking around. I didn't see the tree stumps. While that's drying, I'm gonna work on maybe painting one piece.
Golden hour. So bright.
Be careful, don't drill a hole through the floor.
Well, I got piping out there too, where I can pump some gray water.
For the pooper.
No, that's black water.
Oh.